Okay, so I have a new video dropping and it's about spray painting your wheels. I decided to spray paint the wheels on the caliber finally, and in the caliber's fashion, I needed to do something absolutely crazy. So this is what I've done. So before I spray painted these, I also reposted the video of me and all of my friends spray painting my car. And this was a video on my channel titled, I Let My Friends Spray Paint My Car. I thought it was going to be the video that really just slammed my YouTube career. And it only got 600 views, which isn't bad, I'm not complaining. Pretty good for my channel. But I posted it over on TikTok, just a part one, and it got 75,000 views, which is like, bye-bye. I was thinking, since it did so well over there on TikTok, maybe I just didn't edit it correctly. You know, the last time it's 20 minutes, so I'm leaving that video up on the channel, of course, so if you like this one, you know, go watch it, but it's 20 minutes long, and it shows every single step of this. This is just the same video, just in 5 minutes, you know what I mean? I was just thinking I'll give it to you guys in a quick little burst, maybe you guys like it. During this quarantine, I know you guys have 5 minutes to spare, so maybe share it with a friend and try and get this video popping over on this channel, please. I would appreciate it. Been out here for a while. Hey! So we got all the spray paint right here, and I'm about to let everyone run wild with it. Any last words?
Your choice. I felt bad earlier, but...
Oh my god, look. I got Tony the Tiger, fucking the Cheeto guy on the back. So after everyone spray painted my car, I took my vinyl cutter and started making stencils for the stencil artwork that I was going to do on the car. You know, you can kind of see some of it around here. I did this table, did this banner. It's all the same concept, you know, and I threw all of this stuff all over the car, all of these stickers I cut out, and then I spray painted the whole car black. And then after that, I had my dad help me spray some clear coat on it. And in that clear coat, we mixed this beautiful purple, like pearl. And it just like made the whole car turn purple pretty much, because we added like an absurd amount just to make it sparkle, you know. So we did that. And then, I don't know. That's all of the parts right there. Maybe I'll throw in some reactions. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Go check out my podcast, please. I appreciate it.
I can't stay.
Now.
Well, it definitely looks better. It's purple.
It is.
Wow.
Okay, what do you think, Caleb?
It looks good.
I think that one's mine, is it not?
How many people did you say?
Yeah, I think that one is it.
Yeah.
Already 2. But I will say I'm a little upset that you weren't here for it.
Oh, sorry. It turned out good, so
Jesse's handprints.
I don't know what else I could have added.
Jesse also added right here. That's his. What do you think of it, Tanner? You were there to help.
Dude, it's sick. Honestly, it looks way better than I thought it would have been. If I'm gonna be real.